Why the compromises on slavery at the Constitutional Convention? Well, let's look at the positioning of the South at the convention through the eyes of John Rutledge. John Rutledge was a delegate from South Carolina at the convention, former governor of that state, and future Chief Justice of the United States Supreme Court, and a slave owner. So, John Rutledge says at the convention, religion and humanity have nothing to do with this. Interest alone is the guiding principle for nations. The true question at present is whether the Southern states shall or shall not be parties to the Union. In other words, don't talk to me about religion. This is about making money. We will not give up this core economic institution in the South. And in fact, this is decades before that kind of curse of Ham mythology will have fully infected Southern Christianity as a moral justification for the big bucks being made off of slavery. So this is about economics, and this is the walk-away issue for the South. There will be no union, there will be no constitution if you force this issue. So the North compromises. Well, how are we supposed to view this compromise by the North on the question of slavery? Was this a pact with the devil, an agreement with hell, as William Lloyd Garrison, that famous abolitionist, will argue? Or was this necessary scaffolding to be removed as soon as possible from a fundamentally anti-slavery constitution, as Frederick Douglass will argue?